Hi, come to Ben from Bite Size Irish here. Today I'd like to take a bite-sized look at how to say horse in Irish. So the Irish word for horse is couple. Couple. And again, couple. And so if you speak Spanish or French or Portuguese, you'll recognize that this word is quite similar to the word for horse in those languages. And that's because ultimately it's derived from the Latin word cabalus. So couple, horse. So if we want to say pony in Irish, we say capeline. Capeline. And again, capeline, pony. The Irish word for mare is gaeilge. Gaeilge. And again, gaeilge. A filly, a young mare, is a gaeilge. Gaeilge. And again, gaeilge. The Irish word for foal is searach. Searach. And again, searach. My pronunciation is Kerry Irish or Munster Irish. Elsewhere that might be pronounced searach with the emphasis on the first syllable. Searach. And again, searach. The Irish word for stallion is style. Style. And again, style. And the Irish word for colt is brummach. Brummach. And again, brummach. Now, we can use all of these to talk about donkeys as well. So the Irish word for donkey is ossel. 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 And if we want to use these terms we've looked at in order to refer to a donkey foal or donkey stallion, what we're doing is we're putting the genitive form of ossel, which is assil, on the end of those terms. So let's say donkey foal is searach assil. Searach assil. Or searach assil. A donkey mare would be lóir assil. Lóir assil. And again, lóir assil. And of course, a donkey stallion would be style assil. Style assil. Style assil. And of course, where I'm from in West Kerry, style assil is also used to call somebody a jackass if they're being a bit of an idiot. Style assil. Style assil. Okay then, so we're going to finish today with a horse-related proverb, or seanachal, and this one goes, is capel gower más gá. Is capel gower más gá. And again, is capel gower más gá. So if we translate this directly, it's a goat is a horse if necessary. A goat is a horse if necessary. And the general message is, in times of need, we make do with what's at hand. If you need to make use of something for a purpose which it's not ideal for, or wasn't necessarily designed for, well, you do your best in times of need. Perhaps a big stone might be a hammer if you're out camping and you need to drive a peg into the ground. So is capel gower más gá. Okay, I hope you enjoyed today's little lesson on horses and donkeys. From me, Ben, till the next time, slán go fóill. Bye for now.
Transform your Irish language journey in 1 week. Take the gaeilge gach lá 1 week challenge starting Monday. It doesn't matter if you're just starting off, coming back to Irish, or you're already an active learner. Go to challenge.irish or click the link in the description.